What is going on, hybrid shooters? It's Jason Vong, and today I'm going to show you how to wirelessly transfer photos and videos from your Sony Alpha camera to your smartphone. Now, why would you want to do something like this? Well, you bought a very expensive camera, you took some pretty dope photos with it, it's time to share that on social media with your friends and family. Or maybe you're a photographer or videographer, you're on set, you want to share a little bit of a sneak peek behind the scenes of your shoot. This is a great way to give that to your audience. So first, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos, and then I'll show you how to transfer videos. First, what you want to do is get the Play Memories app on your smartphone. You can get that on the App Store or on the Google Play Store. Next, after you snap a pretty dope shot with your camera, go to your photo, go to playback, press function, and it'll ask you send to smartphone this image, all with this date or multiple images. Now, if you have multiple images that you want to send to your smartphone, go ahead and select that, highlight all of the photos that you want to send over, and hit the menu key to execute this transfer. Now, I would suggest if you're transferring multiple photos, try not to do too many at the same time, just in case you run into hiccups with the Wi-Fi and you somehow just lose connection. It would suck if you're in the middle of like 10 photo transfer and then it just die halfway through. So I would recommend transferring around 3 to 5 photos at once. If you're only transferring one image though, go ahead and select this image only, and then it's gonna ask you, or it's gonna prompt you to connect your phone to the camera's Wi-Fi. Now, if you haven't already done it yet, there's an option on the Play Memories app called Scan NFC/QR code of the camera. Go ahead and select that and position the phone's camera to this camera's QR code. By the way, you would only have to pair this up once. The next time you want to transfer a photo, all you have to do is just get the photo ready on your camera, connect to the Wi-Fi, and you're done. You don't have to do this whole QR code thing again. Once you get the camera and the phone to pair up, the transfer should start immediately. Keep in mind, it will only send high quality JPEG, so make sure you enable RAW plus JPEG. Now, if you shot RAW only on your camera, you can still transfer the photo, but it will not be a RAW file. In fact, it will be a low-res JPEG file instead. By the way, guys, let me know if you've been enjoying these weekly quick tips on my YouTube channel by leaving the comments down below and giving me a thumbs up. If there's a particular topic that you want me to create a tutorial around, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Next, I'm going to show you how to transfer videos. In order for us to do that, you'll need to enable proxy recording in the menu system. All you have to do is just turn that on. Now, this is only applicable to the Series 3 cameras. If you're using Series 2 cameras like the A7R II, A7S II, or the older A6000 series camera, 6300, 6500, 6000, you just have to record, you just have to select the file format to be MP4. That's the only way that you can transfer video files from your camera to your phone. After that, just shoot your video, do the same process as you would for a photo, and the video file should transfer directly to your smartphone. Now, the transfer rate will obviously depend on how long your video clip is. So I wouldn't recommend shooting for more than, I don't know, a minute or two, because the longer you record, the bigger the file size. Now, I love doing this with my Instagram stories. I would shoot vertically on my Sony Alpha camera for about, I don't know, 8 to 10 seconds, and then send those video files to my smartphone, use an app to rotate it to its correct vertical orientation, and upload it to Instagram story. It's a great way to engage with my followers because it has high production value behind it. Plus, it is a whole lot of fun. The next time you wirelessly transfer a photo or a video to your smartphone, uploading to Instagram story, tag me in it. My handle's @JasonVMedia. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.